You didn't meant.
Oh, don't you slap me now. No mistake now. They all go meet my mother. They go and slap me.
You smoke?
Guy.
I don't carry my phone now. Why not slap me now? Why not slap? Oh! I don't go. My mother they wait for me, man. My mother they wait for me now. They slap.
Come on.
Don't bend.
You dey mad? You dey smoke?
Guy. So make I tell you for this. If I know they understand for this street, they don't face very well. It's my face, no be man, you know.
Oh yeah, get out.
Guy, get the fuck.
Get out! I said get.
You want me to?
Oh yeah, get out.
It's easy. One guy. This guy here, what can they do? What can they do? Exactly. They will slap you too! They will slap me there! Because of this, yeah, what they do?
Oh, sorry, don't cry.
So everybody say oyiko. Say oyiko. Hey, you know go kill the person. No, you know go kill the person.
Madam.
Why did you bother coming back? Is there ever a time that I will ask you to do something that you will do it with every good zeal of yours? Since morning, you forgot the file. I even gave you T-Fair to go back home and bring. Look at when you're coming.
See, madam, wait now. Madam, wait. See, this time it's not my fault. It's not my fault. See, as I was coming, see my body now. This is my body.
So whose fault is it?
See. Oh my, madam.
Oh, sorry, don't cry.
Madam, you see this slap, they slap me. See, two guys, see, they slap me.
Only slap. They should have helped me kill you. So coming back here is a total mistake. But anyways, that's all right. That's fine. Are those the files?
Yes, no.
Let me have them.
Let's go.
Can you give me the files?
But let me drop it to your office now.
Yeah!
Something I've sent you. Going to 2 hours. You spent your lifetime there. Okay, good. You have always been. Wait a minute. You are the one in charge of the control room, right? Are you the one in charge of the control room?
You know I've been in charge now for years.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Can I have the keys?
Control room.
You know this, your manner of being incompetent. It has been reoccurring. But for the fact that you came here, you have your services rendered very well, I have left you. Remember what you did 3 weeks ago? When the executive manager came with his elder brother from abroad, you almost ruined my job.
Madam, that day wasn't my fault though.
Oh, really?
It was the devil's fault, not me.
The devil's fault? So yes. Whose fault was it today?
Today one. It's still the devil's handwork.
Okay, that is very good. So right now, I would like you to please tell that devil to take you back home, because that is where you belong. Rubbish.
Madam, wait now.
How dare you?
Madam.
Don't you touch me! In fact, from now henceforth, your services are no longer needed here. What am I saying? You are fired!
Yeah!
Madam, wait, yeah! God. Madam, which kind of bad luck with this today, sir? See the slap self they pay me, now you don't fire me. Go and they manage those two guys there. Till I take any other day. Madam, I beg now. Madam, I beg. Security.
Sorry, May God,
Madam, I don't get transport to go, so I don't get transport. Transport I don't get. I never get transport to go outside.
You be mumu. How many times would they tell you, mumu man? You think say they wise? Mumu man.
They no just good at all.
Alpha guy, now how your face is like this? What's happening? Now you are the follow talk. Who you define?
See, hey, see finish no good. He not good. So because they say it's come now, they can't ask me.
Now bad thing I do, I dey ask you.
If I see the best are the best. Now if I was you,
I better get that.
God, this life don't spoil. Because they use iPhone and they use Android phone. Voila. Oh, my compound. Today, we kill ourselves here. What of us? Sorry, bro.
Bro, is he not that guy that
Yeah,
pushed
that
us down?
gentleman. How far?
Stay now. Wait, babe, stay. Hey, how are you? How are you? Fine, girl. How are you?
Yeah. Are you staying in this very street?
So when you were slapping me, you know you can talk like you are shouting since. See now, eh? Because of you people.
Okay.
Because of you people. They have fired me. And out of everybody, you don't see where to go to. Eh? You don't see where to go to. Come, I'm talking small. Wait, you came to my compound. Listen, excuse me, listen. You came to my compound.
You know what?
Okay, let me talk. Let me talk. That's not another talk. Man, talk now. Man, talk now. So now you people can talk small, Abi. So out of everywhere, after making me to lose my job, you will not see where to go. He came to my compound. I want to be bonoing my two sisters. So 2 seconds, now everywhere go scatter.
Guy, you don't drink.
Hello.
Oh yeah. On one leg, move. Enter house now. And they come inside house on now. Oh, you see the cup, babe? I see me enter house. Okay. On one leg. One leg now, move. One. Not even mad.